Hello guys, welcome back to DailyTube channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing the 5 best drones that are designed for different kinds of users in 2020. We will take into flight quality, fit and comfort, battery life, features, and price, so you can decide which is best for you. All the products on our list were selected based on their own inherent strengths and features, so if you want to know the last price and other more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below. Give us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you want the video like this in the next episode. That's it, now let's get started with the videos. Starting up with number 5, we have the Eachine E52 Max. The E52 Max is one of the rare lower-priced drones on the market to offer 4K video. The size and build as well as most of the feature set are very similar to the DJI Mavic Air, except it's priced at about a quarter of the Mavic Air. Considering that the Mavic Air doesn't even have 4K video, this makes the E52 Max even more appealing. It's easy to see why beginners and novice fighters are thrilled about it. If you've been interested in drones but hesitated to try because you thought it might be too complicated, you're going to love how simple it actually is. The E52 Max has a very short learning curve, so you'll be able to start flying like a seasoned flyer in no time. It also comes with some great preset flight modes. Just select one and you'll be shooting amazing 4K footage on your first flight. You can have the drone track your movements or flight 360 degrees around you while it takes aerial selfies of you. You can even touch points on the remote control screen and set a flight path for the E52 Max to automatically follow while it shoots breathtaking shots with its wide-angle lens. It's that easy. Plus, the E52 Max can live stream the video from your drone from up to 270 yards away. The 52 Max is surprisingly well built, and you'll find the performance extremely solid and stable, even during windy conditions. To finish, if you're eager to test out drones, you'll be more than surprised by the performance, build and video quality of the E52 Max. It's perfect for beginners and novices looking for a 4K drone that's wallet-friendly and won't break the bank. At number 4, we have the DJI Mavic Mini. Being small can be a big advantage when it comes to drones because you don't have to register it with the FAA. So whether you're a beginner ready to venture into the world of drones or a seasoned flyer looking for a compact drone with amazing features, the DJI Mavic Mini is a great option, and it's currently priced at $400. There's a lot that's packed into the Mavic Mini despite it being so lightweight and compact. Beginners can shoot some amazing footage right off the bat with the automated presets. The 2.7K video quality is great, and with the camera held by a 3-axis gimbal, you'll be thrilled at how smooth the footage is. The controller in the DJI Fly app works on both Android and iOS. It's not too heavy and it feels good in your hands. You'll be able to see the live feed from the camera even when the Mavic Mini is flying up to 2.5 miles from you. There are some nice safety features like the automated return to home, so your drone will fly back on its own to you before its battery runs out. Plus, if there happens to be an unplanned landing, the Find My Drone option will help you find and retrieve it. Overall, the DJI Mavic Mini is the drone for everyone, with a 2.7K camera, long flight time, and plenty of features, making it a great choice for drone enthusiasts, novice flyers, and with the short learning curve, it's perfect for beginners. At number 3, we have the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air falls between the Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro. It's really the best of both worlds, including 4K video, making it perfect for beginners, novices, and hobbyists that want to take their flying to the next level but don't want to pay the premium price, and it's currently priced at $800. The Mavic Air really ups the ante with 4K video and a spherical panoramic camera. You also get a wide-angle lens that's even wider than the more expensive Mavic 2 Pro to capture gorgeous sweeping landscapes. The performance is exceptional, and it has great handling even in strong winds. Similar to the Mavic Mini, it's very beginner-friendly with several presets to help out to capture some great footage. If you're a beginner or novice flyer, you'll love the advanced pilot assistance system. It's a bit like flying on autopilot without worrying about collisions. Another great feature to help your video be epic is the drone's 3-axis mechanical gimbal that stabilizes your camera at its records, giving you amazingly smooth footage even in windy conditions. To conclude, the Mavic Air is a feature-rich drone in a very portable package, with 4K video, obstacle avoid, plus incredible features at an attractive price. It's perfect for those wanting to up their drone game but are not ready to make a heavy financial commitment. The Mavic Air gives the biggest bang for the buck. At number 2, we have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The Mavic 2 Pro is DJI's premium flagship drone that's feature-packed for those serious about their aerial video and photography or drone enthusiasts wanting one of the best prosumer drones available with all the bells and whistles, and it's currently priced at $1,600. The Mavic 2 Pro 4K camera is beyond its class with the largest image sensor for any drone its size bracket, and it can capture footage that is crisper than other 4K drones. Unlike most drones in its class, the Mavic 2 Pro uses a 1-inch image sensor to deliver true color and brilliantly detailed images and captures 4K UHD footage at 100 megabits per second. The Mavic 2 Pro features an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system with sensors in every direction. That stops the drone from proceeding if an obstacle is detected. Although the Mavic 2 Pro is larger than the Air, it is still extremely portable, performance and handling are stellar, and the ample battery gives you up to 31 minutes of flight time. As with other DJI drones, the Mavic 2 Pro works with the DJI Go4 app, giving you control over the drone's camera, and it shows its point of view at 1080p quality. The Mavic 2 Pro has a transmission range of up to 8,000 meters, which is double that of the Mavic Air. Overall, the Mavic 2 Pro is intended for pro and advanced hobbyists who demand the best camera performance and flight safety and are willing to pay a premium price to get it. The last product on our list is the DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is the ultimate drone for filmmakers, journalists, and photographers, or the hobbyists that demand the highest standards, and it's currently priced at $3,300, camera not included. The Inspire 2 took everything that made the Inspire 1 great, including integrated HD video transmission system, 360-degree rotating gimbal, and a 4K camera, and improved on it with incredible software and hardware upgrades, new features, and more functions, opening new possibilities. Performance is premium. The build is flawless, and the experience is awe-inspiring, capturing exceptional footage in 5.2K RAW format to retain incredible detail and clarity. The video processing engine is built right into the drone itself, freeing up options for different cameras depending on your shoot and filming requirements. The ability to use different lenses also opens up unlimited creative options. As a professional use drone, the Inspire 2 supports 2 remotes, one for the pilot and a second for the camera operator. Although not necessary, it features a forward-facing first-person view camera and a variety of countermeasures as part of its obstacle avoidance system. To finish, for professionals and diehards alike, demanding premium build and performance, the DJI Inspire 2 outperforms competitors in almost every regard, making it an easy choice if you're looking for the ultimate drone that money can buy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.